Hey all, it's me again, Narcslayer. New video today, one of a personal nature, very much against my will. I've been asked to make this video for a while, by family and friends, and only for one reason I accepted to do it. I have been informed the information people know, is information known only by guessing and hearsay, so here it goes. I have Tourette syndrome. In 1994 I was diagnosed with the worst case of it in the Benelux, that is Holland, Luxembourg, and Belgium, combined. After moving to Europe from America, I became very stressed. I was only 10 years old. The stress awakened something in my head that was already awakening, and been showing itself throughout my childhood. First off, I don't want people's pity or understanding. Truth is, I've worked harder on myself in that area than most people do in finding a career that I have a huge life chunk missing, due to that being my primary goal, to gain control over it. That I feel I've mastered it to a serious degree of control. I could sit here and write every tick I have. I could embarrass myself for some of my past ones, but I want people to know some things that are not known, even in the medical books, and I know it wouldn't surprise me if there are books out there talking about a 14-year-old boy in Holland with Tourette, and have been experimented on for 7 years with test chemicals, medications, and therapy. I've been studied, observed, medically treated, placed in bad places I do not even want to mention, confused, all due to the following reason. Compulsion. A person with Tourette suffer every day in silence. Here's the secret about Tourette nobody knows. When you see a Tourette victim, you see him ticking, spasm, jolt, muscles clench, curse, spit, yell, body clench, oral noises, counting, talking, sleeping with eyes open. All these are done for two reasons: compulsion and silent fear. Fear very hard to explain without sounding like a psycho. Tourette victims take the meaning, knock on wood, to the extreme. There is a lot of paranoia under the fear that the child cannot recognize as paranoia. Do you remember the game? As a kid you would play with your siblings. You would walk down the road, and you may not step on the brick lines, only the brick, not the dirt in between, or something bad would happen. This is what Tourette is, all day every day of your life, all the time, constantly. Now, I know a few things that can help any child with Tourette. This is my second reason I'm here. If you as a parent are sick of doctors who cause your child more pain and more confusion, write me a YouTube letter, and I respond to you with a helpful solution. You have to understand, no meds, nothing will cure this. This is a matter of willpower, mind setting, and secure environment. I can and will help any child with Tourette and every teen and every adult. Please contact me via YouTube if you want more help. Now I am going to explain to you what the workings of the mind are that leads to Tourette. As stated in the beginning of this video, I did not want to make it due to feeling exposed, but I am doing it for the people out there seeking advice on Tourette. I am here to help any suffering people with it. I can work with you on a one-on-one chat if you like, and we can work on them. To the people outside the Tourette mind, I will explain a few things. 1. Tourette victims have a fluid in their brain, which all people have called dopamine, which is a fluid that stimulates the body's adrenaline, the body's emotions, the body's reflexes, which in a Tourette victim runs twice as fast as a normal human. When stress gets high, we develop tics. This is not to say the stress is external. It can be memories, inner pains, fear, and the number one, compulsion, which leads to fear. You see, a child cannot understand this. He cannot deal with the adult mind yet, so the Tourette runs his life, and for now you must let it. This is not to say you treat him any different. A person with Tourette will throughout their day nearly relive his entire life through visions of memories that float in the subconscious mind. This is just a video that talks about the surface of the Tourette mind. For more information, contact me on YouTube, and we can talk about it in more depth. For now, take care, prepare, and be aware.